Hi, are you the person you are struggling to pay your EMI, especially for home loan? And are you looking to see that is there any way you can reduce your EMI? In that case, this video will help you. If you're a person, you have taken loan and you have taken loan about 2 years back, that means you are paying a higher interest rate. You must be paying about 9.5% or 10% or at least 9% interest rate if you have taken the loan from a nationalized bank, or if you have taken home loan from a cooperative bank or NBFC, you will be paying interest more than this. In this situation, you all are struggling with income. So this is a time there are people who are looking seriously that how I can optimize this gap between income and my EMI money. So let us understand that if you have taken loan 2 years back and with this 9.5%, how is your loan looking? Let's take an example that you have taken a home loan of 25 lakh. If you're a person, you have taken, let's say 50 lakh or 1 crore rupees. Based on this proportion, you just adjust and see that how it works. Now trying to understand that how your loan is working at the rate of 9.5%. So the loan amount is, let's say, 25 lakh rupees, and duration you have taken is loan period is 20 years, and you have taken in at the rate of interest rate is, let's say that is 9.5%. If you have taken 9.5% interest rate, which means in 20 years time you have a principal amount. How much is the principal amount? That is 25 lakh. And for this principal amount, for 20 years, you are paying an interest of at the rate of this interest, you are paying about 31.5 lakh rupees or 31 lakh rupees you are paying as a interest. So which means total 56.5%, 56 lakh rupees you have to pay to clear off this loan in 20 years time. Based on this money, your EMI is calculated, equally distributed, which is about 53,000 rupees you are paying EMI every month for 20 years. Then only you will be able to clear off this principal money. And to clear off this principal money with the interest rate of 9.5%, you are paying about 56 lakh rupees. The question is that in 20 years, the property which you bought should be able to appreciate more than this, then only you are really making profit. Otherwise, it's a residential property, it's okay. You are, I'm not talking about whether buying of home, it's profitable or not with the loan. But we are trying to understand that how this loan is standing. 25 lakh rupees, 20 years duration, and interest rate is 9.5%. And if you have taken this method, you have to pay 56 lakh rupees, then only you will be able to clear off this loan in 20 years. And for that, you are paying an EMI of 23,000 rupees. Now, after a period of time, now thankfully the interest rate has come down. So interest rate for a home loan is available at 7%. And there are, you need to go to a nationalized bank. And if you are able to bargain, I think some banks are offering 6.9%. That is up to you. But if you are able to get 7% or 7.2%, you are in a good position. So what you can do is you can go to the existing bank and ask that, can I reduce my interest rate? If they are ready to reduce the interest rate to 7%, well and good, you can continue the loan there itself. Otherwise, you go to other bank and say that I have a loan with so-and-so bank and I have this much of outstanding money and my current rate is this one. At what interest rate you will able to give me the loan? If they are ready to give 7%, you can ask the new bank to take over your loan from that old bank. And then what happens is that this new loan, 25 lakh rupees, whatever is outstanding, but 25 lakh, 20 years you have, and this will get to 7%. Instead of 9.5%, it get to 7%. By doing that, what happens is, principal is 25 lakh rupees. Okay, I'm just assuming that it's an old loan, still the outstanding money is the same, but you have to get this this money approved. So this is your principal, and by reducing from 9.5% to 7%, what happens is that this interest total money for 15 years will reduce to 21.5 lakh rupees. 10 lakh rupees saved here itself. So total money you have to pay to clear off this loan at 7% will become 46.5%, 5 lakh rupees, which means 10 lakh rupees straight you are saving, and your EMI money will become about 19,300 rupees, which means you are about to save 3,000 rupees per month on EMI. This is one method you can reduce your EMI and get relieved. But if you are deciding that I am happy that I have reduced this interest money to 7% and EMI money to this one, but I'm okay to continue this EMI. So instead of paying this, you can continue paying 23,000. That means every month you are paying about 3,000 rupees extra to capital, because when you pay extra money, this will go to capital or principal. So which means you will able to clear off this loan much before than 20 years. By adding this 3,000 rupees per month itself, you will able to save about 40 to 50 EMI installment, which means you will able to close your loan 4 years before than you have planned for. So reduce the EMI and continue paying the same EMI, which can be saved about 4 years, and you can be debt free in 16 years. Otherwise, you had to wait for 4 more years, 20 years. So this is one method all of you can utilize to clear off your home loan much before than you planned for. I hope this video will helpful for you to plan your debt-free journey and wealth creation. Wish you all the best. In case if you have any doubt how to do this, how to talk to bank, or how to plan this, you can comment below or call our number, or you can write email to us. We are happy to help. Thank you.